Taking a break from the mundane lifestyle and hectic schedule is very important for your mental and physical health. There are several hill stations near Pune to visit. Mahabaleshwar is one such hill station that gives a divine vacation pleasure. We planned the weekend trip with friends to visit Table Land in Panchgani, Krishnai Temple and a unique one-of-its-kind vintage bike museum near Mahabaleshwar. Located 120 kilometers from Pune, the city of Mahabaleshwar is counted among the best hill stations near Pune. You can spend your time here shopping in the market, exploring temples, eating strawberry and mulberry, and a chance to have a glimpse of some rare wild animals in their natural habitat.
Now we are going to a place called Krishnai Temple. It is a less frequented place, and it is said the river Krishna starts from here only. It is originated from here. This is a place just beside the old Mahabaleshwar temple, but until these so many years it was not a famous tourist destination.
Krishnabai Temple, which is an old temple situated at a distance of 300 meters from Panchgani Temple in Old Mahabaleshwar. Krishnabai Temple is supposed to be source of the Krishna River. The temple was built in 1888 by a ruler of Ratnagiri, on a hilltop that overlooks the Krishna Valley. The temple has a Shiva lingam along with a stunning statue of the goddess Krishna. By the time it was evening we went to see one of the tourist attractions at Panchgani. Table Land, this flat large expanse of laterite rock is the second longest mountain plateau in Asia. Perched 4,500 feet high above sea level, Table Land is a popular site for sunset and sunrise views and horseback riding. We spent the evening watching the sunset that gave us divine pleasure amidst the abundant nature.